Have you ever wondered why you always seem to have less money in your bank account than you think you should? It could be the hidden fees that banks charge. Today, we're diving into the world of Moka Bank and finding out exactly how much they're taking from your hard-earned cash. Moka Bank is a popular choice for many people, but with popularity comes a lot of questions. One of the most pressing is, how much does it cost to use Moka Bank? Let's break down the different fees you might encounter. Account maintenance fees. Basic account. This is usually the most common type of account. Do you pay a monthly fee? If so, how much is it? Premium account. For those who need more features, does a premium account come with a higher maintenance fee? Savings account. Are there any fees associated with saving money in a Moka Bank account? Transaction fees. ATM withdrawals. Does Moka Bank charge a fee for withdrawing cash from their ATMs or other ATMs? Interbank transfers. If you need to transfer money to another bank, is there a fee involved? International transfers. What about sending money overseas? Are there any additional charges? Checks. Do you need to pay a fee to cash or deposit checks? Overdraft fees. Accidental overdraft. If you accidentally spend more money than you have in your account, how much will you be charged? Recurring overdraft. For those who consistently overdraw their accounts, are there any penalties or interest rates? Other fees. Card replacement fees. If you lose or damage your debit card, will you be charged a fee for a replacement? Statement fees. Do you need to pay for paper or digital statements? Inactivity fees. If you don't use your account for a long period, are there any penalties? Additional information. Fee comparison. Compare Moka Bank's fees to other banks in the market. Are they competitive? Hidden fees. Are there any hidden fees that customers might not be aware of? Fee waiver programs. Does Moka Bank offer any programs to waive or reduce fees for certain customers? Tips for saving money. Avoid overdraft fees. Set up alerts to monitor your balance and avoid overdraft. Use Moka Bank ATMs. If possible, use Moka Bank ATMs to avoid third-party fees. Review your statements. Regularly check your statements for any unauthorized charges or fees. Consider fee-free alternatives. If Moka Bank's fees are too high, explore other banking options. Understanding the fees associated with Moka Bank is crucial for managing your finances effectively. By knowing what to expect, you can make informed decisions about your banking needs and potentially save money. Have you had any experiences with Moka Bank fees? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.